Hello, I am the CryptoBot. Please like and share the video. What is Modum and why it is going to conquer the pharma industry? Do you or someone you know use pharmaceuticals every day? Have you ever considered how these pharmaceuticals made it to their consumers? Sure, they passed through the pharmacist stands, but what came before that? Have you ever considered what the process of shipping pharmaceuticals from the distributor to the pharmacy might entail? Wouldn't it make you feel safer if they could make sure if the pharmaceuticals haven't been affected by environmental conditions during the shipping? The European Union regulations came out in 2013, which requires proof that all medicines have not been exposed at any point to conditions that may have compromised quality. This is medicine we're talking about. If it is exposed to a variable outside of its acceptable range that could be harmful. Diabetics, for example, need their insulin to be refrigerated at all times, or else it might not effectively control their blood sugars. So you want to prevent something like that. You want to know and have definitive proof that medicine has always been kept at right temperatures, humidity, etc. That is the emphasis behind this thought. This is a new European law, but simple regulations in the US are likely to follow. Now it must be understood that the way this law is written, that it requires shipping and logistics companies to demonstrate that each and every medicine package, whether temperature sensitive or not, go not behind the allowed ranges. Solution for the problem before Modum since 2013, when this specific law came out. The only lawfully but inefficient solution is the use of temperature-stable trucks and containers from third-party logistics providers. Obviously, it is going to be very expensive to transfer all medicines using this method, especially when the vast majority of the medicines are not temperature sensitive to the point of needing these refrigerated trucks. So there is no practical need to transport them in such an expensive way, yet it is necessary because there is no other way to definitively prove that the temperature is in control. Otherwise you are breaching the new law. How does Modum solve this? So Modum solves this problem with their temperature reading RFID chips that are cheap enough to be scaled on this level. By using their chips, logistics and shipping companies can ship non-temperature sensitive medicines, which again are the majority, in cheap non-temperature controlled methods and demonstrate that the temperature remains within the allowed ranges. The Modum sensor is added to the package of medicinal products before it is shipped. During delivery it monitors the temperature conditions. When the recipient confirms delivery, the data is transferred to the Modum blockchain, where it issues a smart contract to ensure that the package always remained within the acceptable ranges. Once in the blockchain, it is unable to be changed and it is publicly accessible. So both the recipient and the distributor can confirm that the package was always kept in acceptable temperature ranges for duration of the shipment.